good girl in his dream world. I ain't talking about Ken when I scream folk. I'm his hood girl in his hood world. Get the bag and I stuff it like a good girl. I stay low key, you don't know me. Make him back for the pussy like a Roxy. Make him pop on the nigga like Rocky. When we off the juice, I'm in stock.
Okay, y'all, if you know, you know. I was looking for a running engine to put in my Tbird, but I do have all the parts and pieces to get this engine to run. So speaking to my mentor, he told me, why not challenge yourself and just do it yourself since you have everything. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna challenge ourselves and we're gonna get this engine to run. And just a closer look at everything, like we got a lot of cleaning up to do. But you see, we got everything. We got our block, we got our heads, we got our headers, we got our oil pan, we got all the bits and pieces, valve covers, everything that we need to get her to do what she need to do. So let's see if we can get her running. Okay, y'all, so now we got our oil pan off and we're looking at the inside. It's a little gunk and stuff that we're gonna have to clean up, but this is an engine that came out of a truck with high mileage, so looking at it, it's not too bad. We are gonna have to remove all this stuff, the oil pump and stuff, replace it with a Mustang one, but so far it's okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see if the Mustang oil pan will fit with the Explorer oil pump. Which it does. So what we need is to get a new oil pump. I don't know about the pickup tube, so we might have to get a new one of these. So I'm definitely gonna need a new pickup tube, but let me know in the comments if I can use this oil pump or if I need to go ahead and get a Mustang one. Let me know. Okay, and so now we was getting the bolts out of the water pump, so we're gonna go ahead and remove that and our timing cover as well.